Let's have a look at the different integration functionalities within VirtusNova, how we can use them, and where we find them in the first place. Where we find them is pretty easy. We navigate to the top, go into our profile and settings section, and navigate to integrations. We can see that the current integration options we have live is Google Drive and Dropbox. Do note that this, of course, varies depending on which subscription you are on. Each cloud storage integration is directly associated to a specific brand. So do make sure that whenever you configure this and have multiple brands, that you have the correct brand selected and then the correct cloud integrations connected to it. This is as easy as clicking connect, entering your email and phone to verify your identity, and then granting VirtusNova access to different aspects of your account. Make sure to click allow. Same thing goes for Dropbox. Now at this point, we have the cloud integration of Google Drive connected. Very similar with Dropbox. Just go ahead and click on the connect button and go through the steps which in the pop-up modal. From this point onwards, what we'll be able to do is that within any post creation flow, when we want to be attaching media items, we can now not only choose from the My Library, free stock library, but also now have the option to select images and videos from our Google Drive. So simply go ahead and click on open and then select the media files which you want to be adding to your post. Do bear in mind though, that whenever you move files or delete files within your cloud storage, that this will have an effect on VirtusNova. So be sure just to double check within VirtusNova if the media files are still available and if your posts are going live, which would not be the case if, for example, you have moved around your media files within your cloud storage, which of course hinders VirtusNova from sourcing these media files to attach to your posts. We can't attach anything that is not there. As such, if you, for example, were to have posts that have media files attached to them from a cloud storage, and then you decide to disconnect that specific cloud storage, we would notify you that certain posts are affected by this, where then you need to make a post-by-post decision on how to proceed with these specific posts.